Alright, today I'm gonna replace gasket on the timing top cover and the Pcv valve, maybe the gasket or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna remove the coil back, this hook, then you can unbolt this 30 top and then can take off all these holes, this one, and unbolt this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be 5. So yeah, let's do it. So as you see, you gotta unplug all the ignition cord pack socket, and then you can just a little bit of pressure. And, yeah. Be careful though. Still can break it. Yeah, that cuts off the pop and bang. Alright. Now I'm gonna unbolt this 10mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go. For this one, you can just like twist. So it's just like that. So you can just take it up. Just put away first and put some cover in here. So we should be good. And let's work on this. Turns out I had to put it back. I had to save some money for the owner. Just silicone it, put it back, let it dry. Since the Pcv is not like functioning, it's still good, so everything is good. Now we want to put it back. Just like that. Give a little bit pressure. Plug it back. I already take off this. What I think so. Time for coffee. I'm gonna unblock this one. Here, got only 3 screws. And you're good to take off this one. But the thing is, I got a screw that. Yeah, right there. That one. There you go. Here we are. Unbolt this one. That one. And here. Should be easier if you unbolt the one. But yeah, I'll try. Alright, I'll really take it out all the screw. So it should be good to going out now. Just a little bit. Almost. Yeah. Good now. After an hour, we'll receive the gasket. origin receive this one, so we're just gonna use it back. We already put it at the new one, and I'm gonna put some silicone over here just to be safe. Alright. Oh, I already put back in, but I haven't tied in yet, so as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This only. Now the front part. Put back the dipstick. Just plug it back the fuse. And just push it down. When you're gonna open it, just press the one. And second part, you can just press this one. Push down. And now you're good. So let's do this. I think that's all. Pretty much that is what you have to do. Like for the timing cover, just unbolt this one, just unbolt this 1, 2 screw over there, and then unplug this one. You can just move this away, you can put this way, and the water hose, the down one, you can just move it back, so it will be easier for you to, I think it will be. Everything looks good.